Let's say an engineering team deploys a flawless new medical cost prediction AI. The model boasts a pristine 95% accuracy score, but the morning after it goes live, it inexplicably crashes the hospital's financial planning grid. When machine learning systems are trusted to run global financial networks and massive healthcare grids, surface-level accuracy metrics are highly deceptive. They provide a dangerous false sense of security. AI models can effectively cheat on their evaluations. They arrive at the correct predictions in testing, but rely on completely fraudulent mathematical logic to get there. Because the internal logic is essentially broken, it cannot handle variation. The exact moment the real-world environment shifts even slightly from the training data, the system instantly shatters. A high score is not a guarantee of safety. Without checking the underlying statistical assumptions, a 95% accuracy rating is often just a perfect disguise for a mathematically invalid algorithm. Building algorithms that survive reality requires a rigorous diagnostic mindset. You have to act as an architect of mathematical truth, and that process starts by interrogating your model's independent variables. Imagine two identical scientists baking a cake together. Mixing the exact same ingredients simultaneously, they constantly bump into each other. Your linear model faces this exact confusion with highly correlated features. The algorithm cannot assign reliable weights. We detect this invisible trap using the variance inflation factor, or VIF for short. A VIF score above 5 highlights exactly which coefficients have become untrustworthy due to this extreme multicollinearity. It exposes a counterintuitive reality. Blindly feeding more data into a system actually makes it instantly dumber if those inputs are redundant. Once the inputs are clear, we move to the second structural stress test, verifying homoscedasticity. This requires the variance of the model's residual errors to remain constant across all inputs. Think of a skilled archer firing arrows at a distant target. The missed shots should maintain a consistent, predictable spread in a tight circle around the bullseye. This scatter plot shows our actual errors against predicted values. Instead of a flat band, the data points here start tightly clustered on the left, but violently expand outward on the right into a massive megaphone shape. This funnel shape is known as heteroscedasticity. It is a structural failure, proving that the standard errors are biased and all statistical significance tests are completely unreliable. A predictive system is thoroughly compromised if the sheer magnitude of its mistakes grows wildly unpredictable as the variables change. The third interrogation technique checks the normality of residuals. In a healthy system, prediction errors naturally follow a bell curve, where the vast majority of mistakes cluster tightly around zero. But occasionally, massive calculation errors happen far more frequently than a standard distribution dictates. They act like sudden, unpredictable meteor strikes on the data model. We catch this anomaly using a QQ plot. This graph compares the actual distribution of errors against a perfect theoretical normal curve, represented by a straight 45-degree diagonal line. When the extreme edges curve sharply away, it exposes heavy tails, completely invalidating the model's confidence intervals. The true danger of a compromised AI isn't its average daily mistake. The danger is the hidden frequency of its absolute worst-case scenarios. The final diagnostic requirement for time series data is guaranteeing zero autocorrelation. Every single prediction error must be completely independent from the one that came before it. In financial forecasting, a massive Monday prediction failure can easily influence and corrupt Tuesday's calculation, chaining into a total catastrophe. This infection takes two forms. Positive autocorrelation causes similar errors to cluster dangerously together, while negative autocorrelation forces predictions to swing wildly back and forth. The Durbin-Watson test acts as the system's circuit breaker. A score near 2 confirms independence, catching these silent, systematic patterns before the predictions degrade over time. Without complete independence between errors, a single point of failure mathematically guarantees a cascading chain reaction of algorithmic destruction. Consider a massive global supply chain network ready to adopt a new AI. The algorithm hides behind a flawless 99% accuracy score, masking a phantom accuracy that will fail under real-world pressure. By systematically applying these 5 diagnostic stress tests, an architect shatters that perfect facade. The checks expose the rotting foundation beneath: cloned data inputs, expanding funnels of error, and chained dominoes. Returning to the hospital scenario from earlier, running these specific diagnostics prior to deployment catches the invisible rot. It prevents the crash and saves the financial grid. Discovering severe multicollinearity or error patterns does not mean you have to delete valuable data. Elite engineers fix the broken logic using mathematical regularization to build resilience. A shiny accuracy score only proves an algorithm is good at guessing today's data. Rigorous statistical integrity is the only way to guarantee it survives reality tomorrow.